Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we are comparing two of the most anticipated graphics cards on the market. The ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5070 Ti and the PowerColor Reaper RX 9070. Both cards promise exceptional performance, but they cater to different segments of gamers. The ASUS TUF RTX 5070 Ti is a high-end powerhouse designed for 4K gaming, while the PowerColor RX 9070 offers great value for 1440p gaming. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to performance, the ASUS TUF RTX 5070 Ti takes the lead with its advanced NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and faster GDDR7 memory, allowing for higher frame rates and better performance in demanding games. It boasts a boost clock of 2610 MHz, making it a powerhouse for 4K gaming. In contrast, the PowerColor RX 9070, while still capable, operates at a lower clock speed of 2070 MHz and utilizes GDDR6 memory. This means that while it can handle 1440p gaming excellently, it may struggle with the most demanding 4K titles. However, its performance per dollar is impressive, making it a strong contender for budget-conscious gamers. Price is a significant factor when choosing a graphics card. The ASUS TUF RTX 5070 Ti comes with a hefty price tag of $999, reflecting its premium features and performance. On the other hand, the PowerColor RX 9070 is priced at a much more accessible $579. This makes it an attractive option for gamers who want solid performance without breaking the bank. The RX 9070 offers excellent value for those who prioritize budget while still wanting to enjoy high-resolution gaming. In terms of features, the ASUS TUF RTX 5070 Ti is equipped with cutting-edge technologies such as DLSS4 and military-grade components, ensuring durability and superior cooling. Its PCIe 5.0 interface also future-proofs it for upcoming technologies. Conversely, the PowerColor RX 9070, while lacking some of the advanced features of its competitor, still offers a solid set of specifications, including 16 GB of VRAM and a compact design that fits in a variety of cases. It may not have the latest ray tracing capabilities, but it excels in rasterization performance, making it a great choice for many gamers. In conclusion, both the ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5070 Ti and the PowerColor Reaper RX 9070 have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 5070 Ti is ideal for those seeking top-tier performance and advanced features, while the RX 9070 provides excellent value for gamers on a budget. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GPU comparisons and tech content.